Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we will start a automation window from Python. So the first step what you have to do is you have to import the driver from Selenium. So for that purpose I will use the import keyword, and the class we are going to use is WebDriver, and that class is present under the library Selenium. And now we will create object for WebDriver. So let the object name be driver, which is equal to WebDriver dot, and there is a function called as Chrome. So inside this you have to give executable part, and this parameter accepts one string, and this string represents the part of the WebDriver. So we have downloaded our WebDriver under desktop scrapping. So in this there is a file called as chrome driver.exe. So this is the part of our Chrome driver. So let's copy this and coming to spider, so paste the part here. Now let us run this code and see whether the automation window is opening successfully or not. So let's run this. We have to save this code. So now you can see there is a new browser opened, and there is written Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So in this browser only we are going to do the automation process.